Very good morning, children. Welcome to EVS online class. So today in this class, we are going to start a new lesson. That is lesson number 8, My Neighborhood. Before starting the class, tell me who are neighbors? Who are neighbors and what is neighborhood? You know who are neighbors? Yes, people who live near our houses are called neighbors. People who live near our surroundings, near our houses, those people we are called as our neighbors. Then, what is neighborhood? The street and the places around our houses, surrounding our place, surrounding our house. So, which are all the places is there? That is street, road, houses. These are all called as neighborhood, our neighborhood. Understand, children? So, what is a neighborhood? The street and the place around our houses is called as neighborhood. See, neighbors, they are playing an important role in our day-to-day life. You know that, children, what important role they are playing? Yes, we will see one by one. See, good neighbors makes our life happy. So, they makes our life happy. Okay? And one more. So, we should always help each other. So, we should always help each other. Okay? Then one more thing. We should share our things. Share our things with our neighbors. Okay? We should share our things. Then we should always, this is most important, we should always talk politely. Always talk politely. So, with our neighbors. So, our neighbors, they play an important roles in our life. So, which are the important roles? See, first, they makes our life happy. If our neighbors, they are very good, they are close to us, they are very helping, they are kind in nature. So, they make us, our life happy. Then, we should always help each other. We should help our neighbors when they are in trouble. So we should help each others. Then we should share our things. Not only in the neighbors, in friend circle also. You should share your things. Isn't it? When you come to the school, if your friend has not brought pencil, pen, eraser, then if your friend absent for the day, he was absent for school, so he wants notes from you, that time you have to share the things, share the book, so with each other. So, and we should talk always politely with our neighbors. If you if you become rude, they also will become rude, isn't it, children? So that's why if you talk politely, you can win more friends, isn't it? So you should always talk politely with your neighbors. And one more thing, children, what are all the things you will see around in your neighborhood? So, what are all the things? Think yourself. Yes, we can find shops, building, houses. If you come out from your house and see surrounding, in your surrounding, what are all the things you will see? You can see always. You can see anywhere. You can see buildings now. So you can see buildings, shops, road, street, medical shops, isn't it, children? So all the things we will see in our surrounding. So our neighborhood have give many services to us. They have give many services. See, for example, if you become a sick, then where you will go? You will go to the doctor. Yes, the doctor shop is near to your house or your next road to your street, isn't it, children? So, and if you want something buy, if you want something to buy, the things that may be for home utensils or some toys, some chocolates, biscuits. If you want something, where you will go? You will go to the shop to buy the things, isn't it? So these are all our neighborhood that they give services to us. Why they are giving services? To become comfortable, to become our easily to our life, move easily and become comfortable. So they can give more services. They makes our life. They are giving services to makes our life easy and more comfortably. So what are all the places? Tell me, what are all the places you will see surrounding your neighborhood? Yes, you can see the bank, hospital, market, police station, school, doctor shops, isn't it, children? Mall. So all the places you will find your surroundings, your neighborhood. So what are all the things as you will see? So that places is school, market, hospital, police station, then park, bank, post office. Isn't it, children? These are all the things you will find in your neighborhood, in your surrounding. These are all the things you will find in the surrounding your neighborhood. So we will see one by one. We will see in detail one by one. First one, you take school. What is a school? What is a school? I taught you already. Yes, in previous classes. Yes. So, school is a place where we come learn, read and write and get education. Isn't it, children? What is a school? A school is a place where we learn to read, write and get education. Isn't it? Yes. What are all the things you will see in the school? What are all the things you see in the school? Yes, you can see in your school surroundings. Yes, there is a classroom. So many classrooms is there. Lab is there. Science lab is there. Computer room is there. Office room is there. Staff room is there. Isn't it, children? Yes. So we'll see in detail. So school is a very big place. It is a very big place. And we learn in the school, we learn many things. Not only we'll get education and we will get also good habit, good manners. We learn good habit, good manners, and we learn how to treat with others, isn't it? How to polite, how to talk, then how to behave with others, isn't it? See, all the things we learn from the school. So it's a very big place, and we different places we found in the school. So, like now only I told now. Which are all the places you will found in the school? Tell me. Yes, there is a classroom, staff room, first aid room, isn't it, children? Yes, then principal's room, then so many classrooms, ground, then playground, music room, computer lab. These are all the things we will found in the school. This is also one our neighborhood. Then come to the market. Market. What is a market? Tell me. For example, so if you want to buy a doll or if you want to get new dress, where you will go? You will go to the market with your parents, isn't it? See, if you are for your birthday, Then your parents will take you to get their new dress, isn't children? So where they will go? So they will go to market. They will go and buy in the market. So if you want to buy a remote car or toys or cycle, so where you will go? You will go to market. See, all the things we will get in the market. So then a market is a place where buy things or daily needs, where we buy the things or daily needs we buy, isn't it, children? Not only the toys, dresses, we have to buy, see, daily using in our day-to-day life, rice, dal, milk, bread, then vegetables, fruits. These are all the things we'll buy in the market. Understood, children? Yes. Now we understood market. So market means, so a market is a place where we buy things or our daily needs. We have to buy our daily needs from the market. Then come to the hospital. So hospital, what is a hospital? Tell me. When you will go to the hospital? Yes, so absolutely you are telling right. Yes, when you are sick, when you are becoming sick, so you will go to the hospital. So if you have a cold, cough, isn't it, children? So you will go to the hospital. So which people are there in the hospital? Which people we will found in the hospital? See, think yourself, think, imagine. Hospital means what are all the things can you see? What are all the things you will see? Which people will you see in the hospital? Yes. Suddenly you will tell that hospital means doctors and nurses. Isn't it, children? Yes. So, doctors and nurses we can found in the hospital. What they will give? So, doctors will give, the doctor will treat the sick people, isn't it, children? Yes, they'll give medicine. They will give medicines for sick people. Understood? The doctors help us to sick people, help us to the sick people. When they are get sick, they will help us to them. They will give medicine to them, isn't it? So, what are all the things we can found in the hospital? There is a doctors, nurses is there. Then ICU room is there, rooms are there, then you will find medicine room, isn't it, children? So these are all the things we will found in the hospital. Then come to the police station. What is a police station? So police station, if you heard the name of police station, you will become afraid, isn't it? Yes. What is a police station? Are you afraid of police? Yes, everyone will afraid of police. So, when you will afraid, if you done any mistakes or any mischievous, or if you done any mistakes, then now we will, that time, we are all afraid from police. So, if you get something wrong, if you did something wrong, so a policeman will come and catch you, they will punish you, isn't it, children? So, what are all the things you will find in the police station? There is policeman is there. Yes, inspector, policeman is there. Policeman means you can imagine. Yes, in his hand there is a gun. Isn't it, children? Yes, they catch the robbers. So, police officer catch the robbers and thieves who has done something wrong. Okay. Who are stolen something, they are stealing something, they are stealing something from others. If they did something wrong with the others, then that time the policeman will catch you and they will punish you and they give punishment also. These are all the policemen are also our neighbors. They help us to make our neighborhood safe, isn't it, children? Then come to the post office. So we learned school, market, hospital, police station. Now come to the post office. Post office is also place. What is there in the post office? What are all the things you will see? So we can see letter box, important. Post office means it will come in front of your eyes. That means post box. Isn't children? Yes. Then what is the color of the letter box? Yes. Tell me, you know now, what is the color of the letter box? That is a red color. Yes. So the color of the letter box is red. So in the letter box, there is a open mouth. You know, you can imagine. So here one open box is there. In this box, you will put post box. So in this open mouth, you will put the letters inside the box. Isn't it, children? Yes. So those who are far from us, so we are writing letters, isn't it? That letters where you will put? You will put in the post box. The postman will give that letters to the others. So the letter of the post box is red color. Okay. The postman will come and collect these letters, which the letters you will put in the post box, inside the post box. No, that letters, the postman will come and collect the letters, and they delivers the letters to whom you return. Okay. So a post office is a place where we put the letters, where we put and drop the letters to the post box. Okay. And postman will come and collect the letters. So this is also one neighborhood. They help us to communicate with our friends, with our relatives, isn't it? Yes. Then come to the park. Yes. You like, all children likes park. So what you will do in the park? Yes. From morning to evening, whole day, you can play in the park. Yes, you will play. So you like to play, isn't it? Yes. So there is, you don't have any food, not lunch, don't want water, anything you don't want. Yes, you want to spend the time in the park. Yes, you like to spend the time in the park. So park is also one our neighborhood. So all the peoples, not only the children, so elders also in your family, your grandmother, grandfather, they will go for walk, morning walk, or your parents. From morning when you wake up early morning, your friends, your parents will take you to the park, isn't it? Why means? So you have to play or you have to walk. So you have to do exercise, isn't it, children? So this is also one our neighborhood. So we will go and take rest, and we are doing exercises and we are doing walking. So what are all the things you will see in the park? There is a seesaw, there is a so you will enjoy slides. So you will enjoy a lot, isn't it, in the park? Yes. So not only the children, even elders also. So your parents, grandparents, all will come for morning walk and take rest. Isn't it, children? So it is also one our neighborhood. Then come to the bank. Bank also is a place where we'll do all the money transaction to here, to deposit the money, to take the money. So isn't it? So it is also one place. So what do we do within the bank? So is a place we deposit the money. In another way, we savings our money in the bank. If it is necessary, we will go and take and we will use it. Isn't it, children? Yes, these are all the things we will see surrounding our surrounding us. That is our neighborhood. These are all our neighborhood. Are you understood? Yes. Now, so go through once. That is page number 196. I will show. This is lesson number 8, my neighborhood. Go through once textbooks And now I will give and one more things, and except these, we will see in our surroundings temples, isn't it, children? That is also important. We will see many temples. For Hindus, they are go and pray temples. The Christian, they will go to church. Then Muslims they will go to mosque, isn't it, children? So these are also our neighborhood. So these are also help us to the peoples when we have when we are in some tension. See, if our mood is not good, when we are some hurt, sad things, so that time what we will go to temple and we will pray the God to get a peace of mind, isn't it? These are also our one neighborhood. So see, these are all our neighborhoods: school, market, hospital, police station, park, bank, then post office, temples. These are all our neighborhoods. So we must keep our neighborhood clean. So we must keep our neighborhood clean. Okay. So, and we must help our neighbors. Help our neighbors. And we must fight with them. Don't do fight. Don't talk rudely with our neighbors. Don't fight. Okay. Don't fight and don't talk rudely with them. Isn't it, children? And we should polite. Always be polite with our neighbors. Always should be polite. And we keep our neighborhood green. Okay, to planting many trees. Okay, we should keep our neighborhood always green. So these are all the important things you should keep in your mind. See, these are all our neighborhood. They will help us in many ways, isn't it, children? So that neighborhood we have to keep clean, always should be clean, and help our neighbors, and don't become rude and don't become fight with them. So, and we should always be polite with our neighbors, and we should keep green, okay, by planting many trees. Okay, these are all about my neighborhood. So, I will give hard words to you. Take down homework book. Take down your homework book and write these homework. You have to write 5 times hard words. That is market, school, hospital, then police station, neighbors, and neighborhood. So, repeat after me. Yes. First one is market, M-A-R-K-E-T, market. Then school, S-C-H-O-O-L, school. Then hospital, H-O-S-P-I-T-A-L, hospital. Then police station, P-O-L-I-C-E, police station, station, police station. Then neighbors, neighbors, neighbors. Then neighborhood, neighborhood, neighborhood. So these are all the hard words you should write 5 times and you should learn also. Okay, so we'll meet in the next class. Thank you, children.